drinks. Drinks. Ito na food. Guess what? Lahat ng food yan, lahat yan. Lahat yan na food yan lahat, guys. Ay gabin ngayon ka Bodens na yun today. Yung mga tao.
We saw him earlier.
Food chance, guys. Yung mga tao. Yung kasi ng food. Food. Price part $18. Lahat ng people dito mami. Kaya may chicken. Anong yan? Ito. Drinks. Kaya may mga drinks na lahat. What's that?
Fruity Pebble Rice Krispies. It's Fruity Pebble Rice Krispies.
Oh. They're nice, huh? Oh, nice. Nice. How much is one?
All the Rice Krispies are 10. All the Rice Krispies are 10.
10.
Yes.
Ah, okay. That's sweet, yeah?
Sorry.
Sweet?
Yes. Sweet or sour.
Okay. No sweet.
Oh, sorry.
That's one, yeah. Check out the doctor, the sugar.
If you're trying to watch a sugar, Sugarless Bites does, her stuff is sugar free. So she does like milk fruit.
Oh,
So
yeah.
better for.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. I saw the video, that's all. So you did the bragger, the brag.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Lahat talo ano yan. Ayan, lahat yan. Masarap yan, no? What's that?
Those are mini nachos.
Oh, Trasos. Oh, Trasos is one. This one, Trasos. Sorry, the video. Sorry. The brag. Yeah, sorry. Oh, how much one?
This one will be 13.
13. That's more.
This one is same price, 13.
Oh, same, yeah?
That's our bowl.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Cute. It's a top. It's... Oh. Oh, see, the two. Yeah. It's a two. No? Oh, the drinks, huh? Drinks, huh? Drinks, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Thank you. That's when the budgets people is lahat ng people. Guys, the people kasi yan yan. Dito ako bibili sa kitchen. That's one, no? That's one. Sorry, the video. The video. The video.
Picture. Oh, yeah,
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah, this one. This one. It's a $8 one.
Or 2 for 15.
Oh, 50. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, they're $7 for 20.
So, chukis. Ito mo, chukis yan. Lahat tao yan, no? Mayan tao. Packet. This one. Mga people, yan. This one, ice burger. This one, ice. No. How much with ice? Ice. How much? $5.
For regular, and if you want deluxe, $6.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Last din dito, last day nandito noon. Lahat ng tao dito, last day na yon. Last day na yon today. Last day na yon today. Kasi, last day na yon. Kasi, yun na. Tapos na ito, last day na yon. Sikat na araw po na yon. May tao dito, timo, yun o. May tao man eh. Kaakay pa. Yan. Kasi mga people yung pila sa Dog Kid.